I think I'm pretty confident in that statement. And then we have the waffle chips, and then you have McDonald's fries, and you have Zaxby's fries, and you have Raising Cane's fries, and all the other different fries, and curly fries, which is the only thing really worth getting at Arby's. And I would compare it to Denominations. Because here's the thing. In all of these places, you are getting potatoes and sodium. Like, if nothing else, you are getting potatoes and sodium from whether it's the fries or the waffle chips. And everyone's going to have their own opinion about what they prefer. And there are going to be different reasons for that. But at the end of all time, we're going to find out that there was a right answer. And God's going to tell us what the actual best fry was. And whatever fry is the most Lutheran, that's going to be it. That's where I'm going to go with it.